Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a one palette tutorial using the I Heart Revolution Tasty Pizza palette. If you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you know when I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time. Let's get into the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. As you can tell by the names, they're all pizza related. You get 18 shades in this palette. And today I think I want to try this marinara shade. This looks juicy. I'm going to be taking a large fluffy brush and I'm going to be starting with dough. I'm just going to put this through the crease just to get a little bit of colour going on there. And what goes up must come down. So I'm going to put this underneath the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to go straight in with the marinara shade all over the lid because I don't really know what kind of colour to put next to it as a matte one. So I'm going to go in with that over the lid to begin with. And I'm just going to use my finger because I always find that picks up the most amount of pigmentation from shimmer eyeshadows. Are we ready? Are we ready? Oh, wow. That is stunning. To deepen that up, I'm going to be going in with the shade Olive and just a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M513. And I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye. There is a little bit of fallout from the shade, but it's because the texture is kind of like a pressed glitter kind of texture, but not as messy as a pressed glitter, even though it does kind of look a little bit messy. But all I've been doing is just taking a concealer brush like this and literally just kind of flicking it off, and it comes off really easily. But next time when using this palette, I would definitely go in with my eyes first before putting my foundation on. And then taking this same brush that we just used for the outer corner, I'm going to put this underneath the eye as well. Once again, focusing it in the outer corner area, but underneath the eye. So this is the finished look. I've just put some lipstick on and some mascara on. I've actually just tried the I Heart Revolution lip gloss and it smells, it's one from the chocolate range. It's I Heart Chocolate. This is the salted caramel one and it smells like chocolate and I want chocolate so bad now. But actually I'm really, really impressed by this palette. I wasn't really expecting much from it, but it is an intense like pressed pigment palette, so it kind of makes sense as to why that shimmery one was like actually amazing. I am so impressed. Makeup Revolution is really, really affordable as well, so definitely check this out. Give it a little swatch in store, and I would definitely recommend picking this up. I just want to say as well, Makeup Revolution did send me this, just want to put that out there, but my opinions are all mine. None of it's sponsored or any of that palaver. It was just sent to me and I decided to do a one palette tutorial on it. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, 6 o'clock UK time. And I'll hopefully see you then.